How to fix Instagram Reels camera blur problem. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Whenever you try to record or reel or try to upload a reel from your device, then you might be facing a problem of blur quality. If that's the case, then here are some troubleshooting steps that you can try to fix the issue. First of all, you have to be careful or you have to be sure of the filters that you are using on your Instagram Reels. Some of the filters might be the reasons that you have been facing the blur problem, but that doesn't follow for all the filters. So make sure of that thing. And after that, what you can do is simply open up the settings from your device. Now go to apps. Now tap on see all apps. Now search for camera and tap on camera. Once you land on this interface, now tap on storage and cache and tap on clear cache. This will clear all the junk files of camera from your device which might be causing the problem, and after you do that, you might get solutions to your problem. After you do that, again go one step back. Again go back. Now search for Instagram. Then tap on Instagram. Similarly, go to storage and cache. And after that, tap on clear cache. Again, it will clear the junk file of Instagram from your device, which might help you to solve the issue. After you do so, go back and open up the Instagram and check whether your problem is solved or not. If still not, then you can simply log out your device. You can simply log out your account from this device and again log in back again and check whether the problem is solved or not. If not, then simply uninstall the Instagram app from your device, then install it back from Google Play Store, and after that restart your device and open Instagram and log in back to your account again, and that will help you to solve the problem. And that's how you can fix Instagram Reels camera blur problem. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.